Hey, take a look at these adorable moments of the cats. When the owner deliberately ignored the kitten upon returning home, the little guy's grieved and expectant eyes seemed to be crying out, "Owner, why don't you pay attention to me? Take a look again." When the cat played the majestic rabbit police officer, it was quite decent. Who could have expected that the usually well-behaved kitten could make a pig-like sound? It's simply hilarious. Even more amazing is that during the performance, this kitten seemed confident. As soon as the owner said one take, it immediately presented a wonderful performance. These little cats are just like little treasures, injecting endless joy and warmth into our lives.